how to select and rearrange items in the assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Interaction and Dexterity. After click on Interaction and Dexterity, click on Assistant menu. Make sure turn on Assistant menu button and select Assistant menu items. If you want to rearrange items of the Assistant menu, so you will drag and you will adjust. And if you want to add, click on. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can select and rearrange items in the assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.